Hello, here's the instruction how to connect your Bluetooth, how to connect your phone with the Bluetooth. So, first of all, you go to this B button, then you go over here, and then you go press search. That's from the radio side. On your phone, you go to the Bluetooth options, and you go to the very button. That's what I can see on my radio. So that's my Mi 8 phone, that's my second phone. So and I just like press OK, and then I wait, and that's what appears on my phone. And I need to enter the default pin code, which one is 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, that's it. It's connected over here, and it's getting connected over here as well. That's it. It's connected. You can see this thing. Thank you.